Today I'm here to talk you through our Colour Me Finishing Regimen that helps to stabilise the hair and also ensure you've locked in Colour Me to make long-lasting beautiful hair colour. Always follow every service with the Colour Me Finishing Regimen. Restore, a repairing cleansing treatment that gently cleanses while strengthening the hair and staying alive to help you close and seal the cuticle and to make sure you lock the colour inside the hair. Following the colour treatment, here's the Colour Me Finishing Regime step by step. Once development time is completed, emulsify and rinse the colour from the hair. Apply Staying Alive to equalise the hair, close the cuticle down and prepare the hair for cleansing. Apply Restore to damp hair and make sure that you massage through, lather really well from roots to ends and leave for 2 minutes. Then rinse thoroughly, apply Staying Alive to the hair as the finishing service is completed. Now style is designed for weightless hair with long-lasting colour results.